Hi, let's use Manus, an AI agent, as a flight aggregator. So here we are planning a trip from from Chennai to Singapore for the month of September 2025. And we are asking to do the flight pricing comparison, then provide the cheaper flight ticket price. So first, it's creating a user requirement, and after that, it is also asking for certain questions and out of these questions, I'm going to answer a shorter one, which is like a flexible flight ticket, and pick up other informations from the system itself. So basically, Manus have to guess this information. So it is guessing it's a 7 day trip, and then it's for one person as a standard baggage, and then economic travel and all these things and all. And with this, it created a research flight options from Chennai to Singapore. It's basically executing a command, and to execute this, it's creating a directory, and within that, it is running Ubuntu, and also it had created a file called Singapore trip to do markdown. So first, this is about the terminal within that, and then this is that to-do list. So basically, it's having a documentation on what it needs to do itself, and then it is searching from the web. And after that, it is visiting various sites and then checking for the pricing for each day. And then it was able to create a markdown with the pricing details as well. Mm, Now it's comparing different pricing, which is very affordable. Okay, so every time it's also creating a markdown file with the information which it received from the system or from the web. So it collects all the data and puts it into that. So here we have the SGD pricing. Oh, okay. So it is also doing a pricing conversion to Singapore to Sing dollar to INR, taking 61.5 as the pricing conversion, currency conversion. And now it converted all the pricing to INR, providing the pricing details, and then it is also creating certain other trip details as well. Even though we didn't ask for those information, it is also providing it as a additional services to us. That's good. Basically, I don't need to reiterate several researches every time. So I think it's going to collect other trip related informations also. So basically it created two files. One is the trip guide and then another is the pricing. So here we have all this analysis and comparison, all these things and all. Okay, so it created a pricing analysis as a markdown file, everything in text format. So it's also going to create an as a website for us based on all the detail it collected. It's creating a trip planning information website specifically to the query which we raised. I think it's posting that information into the website here. Yeah, creating a website from the trip planning. Hmm. Okay, so it's also creating a HTML file with all the information in the style formats. Here we see the content. Okay, let's go back. And it's asking our permission to deploy the application in a public network. And now it's deploying the website. Okay, mm, the website is getting created. Wow, it's taking too much effort, even though I didn't ask in this format, but it's good. It's publishing the information. Oh, I could have said it would be private. It's directly public. Oh my god. Okay. So Chennai to simple trip guide. It's having all the trip details, pricing information, and also this value combination. Okay. So price trends, booking recommendation, travel information. Within that, I have the weather details, transport, which are all the transport I can use. Oh, budget. Okay. Visa information, and then the attractions which I can see. That's pretty great. Okay, so if I rate, I get another 100 credits. Thank you, Manus. Any agent.